Hey guys, we got the spooky tree here. We're going to take some of the supports off of, like this. This is a lighted object. Okay. Get some cutters here that I use. There we go. And in the back, we got some on the eye here. Oh, there's a plug down here, so I gotta get that plug out. Got all kinds of tools here, guys. There we go. Pull that out. There's some more in there. Pull that out. See in there? Can't really see, but that's where the light goes. It's going to be standing up, I think, on the light, because that's the way it is. I didn't make it really, really big. But he's a cool kind of looking guy, isn't he? So thanks for watching. Please hype the video and give the thumbs up and share the video. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Ooh.